So we've used COUNTIF and COUNTIFs, and what we're going to be doing next is using Averageif and Averageifs. And this is very similar to the count. Basically, we are going to include values in an average if it meets a particular condition. So we're going to select cell M16. And this is where we're going to put Averageif. And basically, we're going to check the ratings. And if the rating is a 1, the value, the claim estimate, will be included in the average. So we're going to go ahead and click on FX for this. We're going to choose Averageif. And the range that we are looking at for the criteria is rating. And we are looking for a criteria of 1. And if it has a criteria of 1, then we want to include the value for the claim estimate in the average. So it's going to look through each one of these for a 1. And if it is a 1, then it's going to include the number in our average. So we're going to go ahead and click OK. And if you take a look, you can kind of see how it put that together. So it's looking at, for Averageif, it's looking at your range for the criteria, the value, and then the range for the average. Now we're going to manually key that in to M17. And so we're going to do equal Averageif. And our range is still rating, comma. And they want us to manually key in a 2. However, we have a 2 right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that and put the cell in. And then I'm going to do a comma. And we are going to be looking at numbers in the claim estimate range. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and press enter. And then I'm going to click on that. And because I used K17, I can actually copy this down. And if I would have hard-coded the 2, then I would have had to click on the next one and manually keyed it in with a 3. Went to the next one and manually keyed it in with a 4. Since we have the ratings here, might as well use them. Now, for these numbers, we are going to format them with commas and get rid of the decimals. So you have a comma and no decimals. And then we're going to go ahead and save our changes.